Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. In today's video, we're going to be doing a luxury bag unboxing, and the bag I'm going to be unboxing is a Louis Vuitton. And if you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and DM me if you guys have any questions. I'm going to be unboxing the Louis Vuitton Alma BB bag, and this is a really cute and petite bag, so I'm really excited to show you guys how it looks. I am going to be showing you guys what fits inside the Alma BB bag. Going to be modeling the bag for you guys just to be a size reference, doing a comparison between the LV Alma BB bag versus the Alma PM bag. If you guys love watching beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, girly content, just any content that makes you feel feminine or extra feminine, then you guys will definitely love it over here. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Once I open the box, this is how it looks. Of course, it comes with its own dust bag, and I do want to let you guys know that I did pretty much wear it. I could not help myself. Like, this bag is too cute not to wear immediately. Once I take it out the dust bag, this is how it looks. She is so cute and small. The size of it is not that bad. Like, it's a good, decent size. It's not humongous, it's not too small. It's the perfect size that you can just put your everyday essentials in. This is the damier ebene canvas bag. I was actually gonna get the other one, the normal LV print one, in a smaller size, but I feel like that's pointless because I already have the regular size one, and I just like the checkered print of it, and I love this shade of brown. It reminds me of a chocolate brown. This bag is perfect for this season, for this fall and winter season. Whenever I do get bags, I think of them for a certain season, and I do wear certain bags for a certain season. For this bag, I can really see myself wearing it for this season. You can wear it all year round, but for me, I can just see certain outfits with this, and it's like, yep, this is the perfect bag for this certain outfit. I had already attached this on, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris, and then of course the keys are just two of them right here. For the padlock, I just decided to put it on this side. You can put it anywhere on this bag, but I will just mainly put it here since it does have the holes right here. It says LV, then it says on the back Louis Vuitton Paris. This is how their zippers look, leather gold zippers. The handles are perfect, and another reason why I wanted to get this bag is because I know with their handles, they're not going to stain. There's nothing on this bag that's going to stain, and if it does stain some type of way, shape, or form, you're not going to notice it because it has this chocolate brown canvas on it. It does have feet on it. Just everything about this bag is just so cute and petite, very perfect. And these right here still say Louis Vuitton on the buttons. This bag is perfect. Like, I'm so obsessed with it. Once I unzip it, this is how the bag looks. I love this beautiful cherry red color inside, and it does only come with one pocket, which I don't really care. It still looks cute, and that's another reason why I had to get this bag, because of this beautiful cherry red color. It is pretty spacious, so you can just really put your main necessities in here. It zips up and zips down really easily, so I don't have any issues with that. And sometimes I don't like zipping it all the way, so I can like zip it halfway. It came with the strap, which I didn't really care for it, honestly, because I don't really wear like long straps, whether it's a crossbody or the side of me. I just like holding it like this, or just holding it in my hand. This also says LV on it, and it does twirl around. Now I'm gonna show you guys the size difference between the BB and the PM. Like, there is an obvious size difference. Like, look at the comparison. Then look at the sides. Yeah, this is a baby, but it's so cute. Like, this is really cute. Like, I'm so glad I was able to get this. This still doesn't look huge on me, but now that I'm thinking about it, compared to this, it's looking huge, but it's really not huge at all. I'll leave the measurements on the screen. This is really not that bad. Like, this is just the cuter version of this one. This one is still cute, but it's kind of giving grown woman. That's the size comparison between these two. Now I'm going to show you guys where you can fit in the Alma BB bag. This is how the bag looks with everything inside. I made sure not to make it too stuffy because it can give like a wrinkly effect right here once there's too many items inside. This is how it looks inside. I put as many products as I can in here without it looking too stuffy. You probably can add maybe 1 or 2 more items, but this is how it looks. First, I just have my phone, and it's just the iPhone 13 Pro. It does fit in here standing up, so I don't have to lay it down on its side. Then I have my wallet, my keys, a makeup powder with the mirror, sunglasses with the sunglass case. I just have these ones. I really need to clean the lenses, but these are really cute. Disinfecting wipes, a juice box, or any snack that you would like. Inside of the pocket, I just have a lip balm, which is the Makeup by Mario one in the shade Pink Glow. It's a really pretty sheer pink shade. I have a travel size perfume bottle. That is all of the products that could fit inside of here. Just your main essentials. That is all for today's video with me unboxing my Louis Vuitton Alma BB bag. If you guys do have this bag, which style and which size do you have? Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this bag. Like this video and subscribe, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.